Detection and response solutions straddle the line between preventative controls and reactive controls. You'll hear industry analysts talk about EDR, MDR, and XDR, maybe even PBR from your local sales rep. But what does it all mean, and does your company really need it? I'll cut to the chase and give you a hint. The answer is yes. Despite all the security controls and automation we could ever put in place, there will always be 0 days, unpatched systems, and human ID 10T errors. Knowing it's not a case of if, but when a breach will occur, we must have the tools and processes in place to very quickly detect, respond, and isolate those threats. This is where detection and response solutions come into play. The primary purpose of an EDR solution is to capture endpoint data to provide real-time visibility into the health and security of your devices. Look for EDR solutions that leverage advanced AI and machine learning to be able to better correlate and spot suspicious activity, a use case of this being user behavior analytics. For example, the system can establish a baseline that Bob typically only accesses these machines during these hours from these locations. Why is Bob now trying to access this other machine at 2 a.m. from a location in Russia? Raise a flag. It's critical to have an EDR solution with robust triage and reporting capabilities to help you quickly identify, correlate, and respond to breaches within your network, with eyes on it 24/7, which leads us to our next slide, managed detection and response. MDR is essentially an endpoint detection service with management layered on top of it. The primary value add of an MDR solution is a layered human element with 24/7 coverage. Many companies don't have the budget or staff to watch platforms on a 24/7 basis, so MDR solutions can be a great way to extend your dollar by augmenting existing staff with 24/7 SOC visibility. Many MDR solutions will also offer additional services such as proactive threat hunting, log analysis, and assistance with breach investigations and incident response. So if you don't have dedicated staff to watch and respond to alerts on a 24/7 basis, look into a managed detection and response solution, as the last thing you want is a bunch of EDR bells and whistles going off at 2 a.m. as your network gets breached, only to have it show up on a board that no one is watching or reacting against. Over time, as technology, networks, and applications have evolved, we've seen a rapid expansion in the attack surface of the network, which has driven the need for more visibility into the extended IT estate. XDR, or Extended Detection and Response, builds upon endpoint protection by expanding the monitoring surface to devices outside of the endpoint, such as user and identity, email security, cloud, application and code, and IoT and 5G devices, to provide correlation and analytics across a wide range of dispersed networks and technologies. The general principle with XDR being, the more data and telemetry there is feeding into the system, the better visibility, correlation, AI, machine learning, and anomaly detection that can be put against the collective data to help identify and isolate breaches. So to wrap it up, breaches will happen. It's not a matter of if, but when. So don't neglect a robust detection and response solution, as it can mean all the difference between an isolated, thwarted scare and full-blown ransomware. For more information or to see other recordings within our Cyber Resilience series, please visit our website at 1111systems.com, or you can scan the QR code here for a cyber recovery risk assessment profile. Thank you for your time. We hope you found it valuable, and have a great day.